Ever wondered what the NET exam is and why it's so important? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. The UGC National Eligibility Test, or more commonly known as the NET exam, is a national level test held in India. This crucial exam is conducted by the National Testing Agency on behalf of the University Grants Commission. Its primary purpose? To determine the eligibility of Indian nationals for two esteemed roles: assistant professor and junior research fellowship in various universities and colleges across the country. The NET exam is held twice a year, typically in the months of June and December, offering ample opportunities for aspirants to prove their mettle. Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve deeper into the preparation process. The first step to cracking any exam is understanding its pattern and syllabus. The NET exam is no exception. This test consists of two papers, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Paper 1 is designed to assess the teaching and research aptitude of the candidate. It contains 50 objective-type compulsory questions, each carrying 2 marks. Paper 2 is based on the subject selected by the candidate and consists of 100 objective-type compulsory questions, each carrying 2 marks. The syllabus for each subject is vast and varied. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with it thoroughly. You can find detailed syllabi for each subject on the official NTA website. Remember, understanding the exam pattern and syllabus isn't just about knowing what topics are covered. It's about knowing which areas to focus your energies on and which areas carry more weight in the exam. With a clear picture of what to expect, the next step is creating a study plan. A well-structured study plan is your roadmap to success. It's like your personal GPS, guiding you through the vast syllabus of the NET exam and ensuring that you stay on track. But remember, your study plan should be realistic and achievable. Don't aim to cover 10 chapters in a day if you can only manage 5. Start by dividing the syllabus into manageable chunks. Allocate specific days or weeks to each section, factoring in revision time. Prioritize topics based on their weightage in the exam and your comfort level with them. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to study a little every day rather than cramming in marathon sessions. And don't forget to schedule in some breaks. Your brain needs time to digest all that information. Lastly, keep track of your progress. Tick off topics as you master them. This will give you a sense of achievement and keep your motivation levels high. With a study plan in place, you're ready to gather your study materials. Quality study materials and effective note-making are the building blocks of your preparation. Let's talk about study materials first. There's an ocean of resources available for the NET exam, but remember, not all that glitters is gold. Choose your study materials wisely. Opt for comprehensive, up-to-date resources that cover the entire syllabus. These could be textbooks, online courses, or even study guides. Now, let's move on to note-making. As you journey through these materials, it's important to make your own notes. Jotting down key points and concepts helps you understand and remember them better. Your notes should be concise, clear, and well-structured. Use diagrams or flowcharts if they help you visualize the information better. Remember, your notes are your personalized quick reference guide. Revisiting them frequently will reinforce the concepts in your mind, making you more confident and prepared for the exam. Now you're all set to dive into the sea of knowledge. Practice makes perfect, and self-assessment keeps you on the right track. This adage holds true, especially when preparing for an exam as challenging as the NET. One of the most effective ways to practice and prepare is by solving previous year's question papers. This approach offers an authentic taste of what to anticipate in the actual examination, familiarizing you with the types of questions, the format, and the level of difficulty. Now, how do you make the most of these practice sessions? Begin by setting a timer that matches the actual exam duration and try to complete the paper within that time frame. This not only tests your knowledge, but also improves your time management skills, a critical aspect of cracking any competitive examination. Once you've completed a practice paper, assess your performance. Identify where you've excelled and where you've faltered. This self-assessment is your key to unlocking areas that need improvement. Don't shy away from your weak points. Instead, embrace them as opportunities for growth. Work on them diligently, and over time, you'll find these so-called weak points transforming into your strengths. But remember, the journey to cracking the NET exam isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It demands persistence, patience, and above all, unwavering motivation. There may be days when you feel overwhelmed, days when the syllabus seems never-ending, or days when doubt creeps in. During such times, remind yourself of why you embarked on this journey in the first place. Your goal isn't merely to pass an exam, it's to open up a world of opportunities, to embark on a rewarding career as an assistant professor or a junior research fellow. So, stay motivated, keep practicing, keep assessing, and most importantly, never give up. Remember, every setback is a setup for an even greater comeback, and every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal, closer to cracking the NET exam. So, remember, every step you take brings you closer to cracking the NET exam. Here are a few more pearls of wisdom to help you on your journey. First, acknowledge your strengths and weaknesses in each topic. It's important to improve in areas where you're weak, but always remember to keep refining your strengths too. Make studying a regular habit rather than a last-minute sprint. Consistency is key here. Breaks are just as important as studying. Get up, stretch, and move around every 20 to 30 minutes to keep your mind fresh and avoid burnout. Your physical health is crucial in this journey. A healthy diet and adequate sleep will keep you energized and focused. And finally, keep a positive mindset. It's so important to keep your spirits high even when the going gets tough. Remember, you're doing this for you, so believe in your abilities. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to cracking the NET exam. Believe in your ability to succeed